Y'all see this crybaby over here? Well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not-so-average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
What's up, guys? My name is Sharon, and welcome to my channel.
This is my channel too.
It's his channel too, okay?
They call me Jack.
So what the Jack and I... Sorry about that, guys. I apologize. Jack, I'm sorry. Okay? Take two. So we're going to be bringing you guys a series of your not-so-average financial tips. We are going to be a little bit in your face, but we need to do that because some of you guys suffer from what we refer to as the broke millionaire mindset. But before we get started with our tips, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up, please. That way we can continue to bring those wonderful, not so average, but what you need to hear, tips, financial tips to help get you on the road to financial freedom, baby. Financial tip number one. Do not get pissed off. You said it. With financially successful people, if you yourself are not willing to get up off of your butt, do what you need to do to make it happen for you. Okay? We are all blessed with the same 24 hours a day. Look, what we are trying to say is, instead of feeling envious, jealous of people who have put in the work, why not take that same energy and do the same for you? If you want to be successful, you do what successful people do. Okay?
Y'all better listen. This sister's got money.
Cut. If you seriously want change and want to be amongst those who are living the dream, okay?
Click the link
on the link below to just check it out. Look and see what opportunities lie inside for you, okay? This is not for everyone. This is not for people who want to play around, who want to get rich quick. That ain't gonna happen. I'm telling you right now, and if that's you, move on, move on, move on.
Hello!
Okay? This is for serious people. This is a serious business. There's serious money to be made out there, and people are making it. Trust me, people are making it. If you want
I can smell the skepticism from here.
to see life on the other side, there's an opportunity right down there. Click it, take it, leave it, do whatever you want. It's my time. It's your time, but are you going to take advantage of this 24 hours in the day that you have? Or do you want to continue being pissed off with financially successful people?
Click the link. Click the link. Click the link.
Click the link.